A lot of manufacturers are asking how Siemens Opcenter MES can support AI. That is the right question. But AI in manufacturing does not start with algorithms. It starts with data. If the MES does not capture the right shop floor data, future AI use cases will be limited before they even begin. AI needs context, materials, batches, lots, devices, process steps, equipment, operators, and timestamps. It also needs process data, machine status, operating conditions, cycle times, downtime, rework, and exceptions. For quality use cases, AI depends on structured quality results, deviations, nonconformances, scrap, yield, and genealogy. That is why MES design matters. Siemens Opcenter should not be treated as a standalone system. It needs to support the broader data architecture. With a strong data foundation, manufacturers can pursue predictive quality, anomaly detection, schedule risk alerts, root cause analysis, and automated insights. But the goal is not fully autonomous decision-making. In real manufacturing, especially regulated manufacturing, people still need context, governance, and control. AI is not something you bolt on after MES. Build the manufacturing data foundation first, then apply AI where it creates practical value. Start with a practical 90-day Opcenter data readiness roadmap. Connected manufacturing can help you get there.